Pnawn da, pawb, croeso. Hi everybody, welcome to our first interactive live National Social Care Conference 2020. It's great to have so many people with us here, and I think having this new format has actually allowed us to have far more people than ever before join us at National Conference. We've got an absolutely fantastic 2 days of speakers, of different workshops and opportunities for you to participate and to hear from your colleagues, your peers, and also some very important people. Obviously, we've got today and we'll also have tomorrow. This is a live event. You will have to bear with us. We do have Welsh simultaneous translation. The dial-in number is listed in your programmes to access English translation. It will take a minute or so for you to connect to the call. All of our conference chairs are aware of this and will make time for you to do so. Our technical team are on hand and tell me that everyone, apart from the interpreter, should be automatically muted when they access the call. Please ensure that this is the case on your own phone too. Finally, please note that this facility is only available on the live events. Due to time constraints and knowing how busy you all are, we won't be hosting a Q&A session during the first half of today's presentations. But if you would like to submit questions, we will collate those and put them forward to our speakers to respond after the conference. We really do hope for a smooth conference, but please bear with us, this is a first. And if you have any issues throughout the day, you can report it through the Q&A or refer to the contact details in your brochure on page 3. Pnawn da pawb. Good afternoon everyone and welcome to our first ever virtual National Social Care Conference. Like many of you, I was disappointed not to see you all in person as I would have at our annual conference, but this year has changed lots of things. Feedback from ADSS Cymru members was that they wanted to go ahead and have a virtual conference. You said you wanted an opportunity to come together, to support one another through what has been the most challenging of times, to reflect on our experiences, to celebrate our achievements, but mostly to say thank you to you all. This year has brought a number of firsts for many of us. Online conferencing and working from home, just to mention a few. There are also new words, phrases and gestures. Medical terms that I've only previously heard of watching Holby City. How many times have you said, "You're on mute, you're on mute"? And when meetings finish now, we wave at each other. And how many of you wear pyjama bottoms and slippers when you're in meetings? I know I do. But what is clear, and what I've always known to be true, is that we have risen to this challenge. We've adapted, we've been flexible, and through it all, we've continued to care. For the first time in my career, social care and all of us working in the multitude of different roles have been truly recognised for the contribution that we all give to our communities. The Thursday evening clap for key workers was an opportunity for the public, for politicians, and for all of us to give thanks to each and every person working within our social care family. Never before has our family stood up to such a challenge or experienced the loss and heartache that we have in the last 9 months. If you didn't realise it before, then you should now, Social care is a vocation, it's not just a job. Through these difficult times, there have been some truly inspirational stories, and I hope you have an opportunity to hear some of them during conference, but also to take the opportunity to share some experiences of your own. This conference, you'll hear from lots of speakers. You'll have the opportunity to choose from different learning and wellbeing networking sessions and seminars. Whilst we won't have a conference pre-drinks and dinner, I propose you each raise a glass this evening, congratulate yourself and toast our tenacity. But the social worker in me can't help asking you to also take this time to reflect, to acknowledge the pressure that you and your colleagues have been under, and to be kind to yourself. I hope you thoroughly enjoy this conference. I'll be around for the 2 days, so I would love to hear from you about how you're finding our new format. Take care and stay safe. Diolch yn fawr.